Today I've done something a little bit different. I've compiled all my introduction videos from all my past videos on my mini skid steer and put them together so you can see a quick overview of what the machine can do. It's got all the original songs from all of those videos, the little introductions, and they're just put together in one short little format so you can see them all together. From the trencher to the trailer hitch attachment to the grapple, all the stuff that comes along with it. The brush cutter stuff's really awesome. Anyway, it gives you just a quick overview if you got 5 minutes of your time instead of having to watch each and every video just to get a quick glimpse of what they can do. So hope you enjoy, like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. I leave in the sticks and we're gonna make a fire. I've never had a skid steer before. I just bought that baby little Chinese mini excavator last year just because I wanted it, because why not? So I saw the mini skid and I wanted one too.